Here's my cheap chalk holder. I use Talon chalk, V10. Just on Amazon, I got a rare earth magnet. Came with double-sided tape. Put in there. You could also super glue it. Either way, I don't know if that'll hold long. I'll probably be super gluing it at some point. I carry a knife in my pocket, and I was using that on my the belt clip, the pocket clip of the knife. But it's really thin. It was working, but it was falling off a lot. Didn't have enough surface area. So then I just grabbed some of these, like a 4-pack of these metal belt clips on Amazon. And they work way better. Got a lot more surface area. You can wear them either way, really. I wear a flat side in, just so I don't have that poking on me. It's pretty strong enough. Played in a tournament Friday night. Didn't lose it once. So when it was on my knife, I was losing it quite a bit, dropping it. But yep. Nice and cheap.